Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about this year's 2020 perfect makeup bundle. Okay you guys, so in this video, I wanted to share with you guys like a little perfect makeup bundle that I kind of gathered together here. It's just, I guess my personal opinion on what I feel like is like the perfect makeup collection, if you will. Basically, a nice set of makeup to really kick off your 2020 makeup look. It has like nice colors, nice shades. Yeah, so let's get started. So, the first item I wanted to point out, and of course, you can add more or take out in this makeup collection, but you know, it's just a small little makeup set that I came up with. Anyway, the first item I wanted to talk about is the Hourglass. You guys, this right here is really amazing. I freaking love it. First of all, stick foundation is completely my jam. I love stick foundation. They're just easy to use. They are like just user friendly. I mean, this one right here, especially the Hourglass one, it's like it's butter on your face. Does that sound good? It's like silk on your face. I don't know, whatever. I mean, it's amazing. Once I am done using this one right here, you can bet that I'll be picking up another Hourglass foundation. The next item I wanted to show you guys for this little, 2020 Kickstarter makeup set is the Bare Minerals concealer. Now this concealer, you guys, it's amazing if you have dry skin. My skin, you guys, is completely dry. I mean, winter, summer, fall, spring, any time of the year, dry, dehydrated, everything. So bare skin. This one has serum in it, which is really nice. So if you want like a nice, you can feel the moisture just kind of sinking into your skin at the same time doing its job as a concealer. It's really nice. I love it. So if you haven't tried this yet, go ahead and pick one up. Perfect for a makeup 2020 starter kit. The next item I wanted to show you guys is, of course, taking care of your lips. A perfect lip, a lip balm, if you will, is this Laneige. This one is their Berry Fruit Rouge. Really nice. Okay, that's what it looks like. And this is a really nice lip balm, and it has like a little bit of tint of color to it, but at the same time it does give your lips a nice, like, a nice hydrated feel to it. If you want to add more color to it, in this collection I did add a little lip gloss. A really nice lip gloss that I love is by the Dominique Cosmetics collection. They have plenty of lip glosses. I have all of them. This is just one of them I grabbed. And the one I grabbed right here is Strawberry Lemonade. And that is what it looks like. I freaking love this lip gloss. As a matter of fact, I am wearing some on my lips. And just put a little bit more. It just makes your lips look nice and juicy, nice and plump. I do like that a lot. So perfect little 2020 starter kit. All right, so let's move on to our face, So a nice setting powder, I feel like, is the Urban Decay All Nighter setting powder. This setting powder is waterproof, and I love it because it is a pressed powder. So this whole pressed powder thing is awesome because you're not making a mess with like a loose powder situation. I mean, loose powders are great and nice, but I mean, really, pressed powders, it's like mess free. So it's really nice. And this one in particular has like a magnetic closure, and I really like that. For my bronzer, you guys, I feel like this is like everyone's favorite bronzer. It's the OG Butter Bronzer, Physicians Formula. And of course, you guys can tell I am in love with this. I've hit pan. Once I completely use this all up, I'll be picking up another one. And one of the favorite things everyone loves about the Butter Bronzer is the smell. But for me personally, I don't really like the scent of it. So, I mean, it smells like coconut, I guess. I don't know. It just doesn't smell good to me. But the performance, the quality is amazing, which is why I keep going back to it. Now, for my blush, you guys, I have this cute cream blush. This is by e.l.f. This is what it looks like. This is their little cover. It's like reflective, so it's kind of hard to show you. But that is what the cream blush looks like. This is a perfect starter kit for 2020 because it's easy to blend It's easy to like, you know, make the colors more stand out more. It's easy to like make it so that you're having like a natural look. It's perfect. You can use your brush, your fingers. It's like very versatile. I love this. The next item is, of course, let's see. Oh, highlighter. This highlighter, you guys, it is expensive, I'm not gonna lie, but I honestly truly feel like this is one of my favorite highlighters. It is the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb highlighter. You guys, if you haven't tried this already, I mean, I really do highly recommend getting it just because I really think it's super pretty. I will do a quick swatch for you guys and show you what it looks like. I really feel like this highlighter is something that will look good on every single skin tone. Hopefully the camera is doing justice, but I promise you, like, when the light or the sunlight just hits your face just in the right direction, and as a matter of fact, when the light hits your face in any which way direction, this Fenty Beauty highlighter, it just makes your skin look nice and, you know, dewy, nice and like wet in the right type of way. It's beautiful. I love it. And honestly, I know for sure, just like how I'm gonna pick up a second butter bronzer, I will be picking up a second Fenty Beauty highlighter because it's just that amazing. Alright, so let's go into the eyes. I feel like the perfect eyeshadow palette for 2020 as a starter kit is, obviously I picked it out from my eyeshadow collection. So out of all my eyeshadows I have, I picked out this one right here. It's the Dominique Cosmetics Rustic Glam. The reason why I picked this out is, number one, I mean, it has a ton of colors in here, a bunch of colors you can play with. But the main reason is, if you look at it, which I will show you right here, not only does it have your like natural neutral colors, playing it safe, you know, your nice brown tones. At the same time, if you want to kind of dabble in and spruce up your look a little bit, you can go into these colorful looks right here. So you can still play it safe, but at the same time, add some colors to spice up your look, and I really love that. So this one palette has pretty much all the looks you can ever ask for, whether it's nice and calm, like work makeup, school makeup, whatever, or if it's like a nice party makeup, you have it all right in here. So this one is the Rustic Glam by Dominique Cosmetics. It's really amazing, and as a matter of fact, all their brand is amazing. I freaking love Dominique Cosmetics. Alright, so that is the eyes, and of course for the eyeliners, you guys know my all-time favorite is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. This one, you guys, I have like packs and packs of these stored away because if they discontinue this, my heart will be broken. It will be melted. It will be, I mean, it's just going to be shattered into pieces because I love the NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner. More so than just it being very pigmented when you put it on. I love it because the brush, this one is a little bit wonky just because I've been using it for quite a while. But if you look at it, the brush it's not just a felt tip brush, it's an actual brush, like a paintbrush. So when I'm drawing my cat eye or any type of eyeliner on my eye, it just glides on nice and smoothly. It feels really nice. I love it. So I really love this. If you're not really into like this type of eyeliner, another recommendation in this little 2020 kit that I created is the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner. This one right here is also super affordable, you guys, and as a matter of fact, super nice. It's a very different type of eyeliner. It's like a more creamy kind. Can you guys see that, right? It's very creamy. Obviously, making a sharp winged cat eyeliner with this eyeliner pencil might be a little bit tricky. Not impossible, but tricky. But I love this because sometimes when you have like glitter on your eye and you put your eyeliner on top, it doesn't really work well. But this one, doesn't matter what type of eyeshadow, what type of eye makeup you have on your eye, it just glides on nicely and it just looks really beautiful. It looks really nice. I love it. So perfect. Alright, and of course, my OG all-time favorite setting spray. This is just a little mini version, but nonetheless works just as well. It's the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This one is, I mean, if there's one setting spray I go back to over and over and over again, it's definitely the All Nighter Setting Spray. This stuff works well, you guys. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Here's my 2020 little makeup starter kit, if you will. And yeah, if you guys like videos like this, go ahead and let me know by clicking the like button down below. And tell me if you guys have tried any of these products. Honestly, I freaking love all these products I mentioned. And I think it's just a perfect way to start your 2020 makeup kit. So yeah, comment down below if you tried any of these, and if you would like to try them, comment down below. And that is pretty much it, you guys. If you like this video, go ahead and click that like button down below. And of course, if you haven't already subscribed, join the Kwak fam by clicking the subscribe button, make that red button a gray button, and tap on the notification bell. That way, when I upload at least twice a week, you are notified. You won't miss out on any video. Oh, and by the way, you guys, I am doing a giveaway, so if you want to know what the giveaway items are, you want to check them out, go ahead and click on that giveaway link down below in the description box. Doing a giveaway. If you want to enter, there's a link down below. Click on it. It talks about the rules and the items that are given away. So there's that, and of course, I hope you guys really liked this video, and yeah, that's it. Alright, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys.